The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The driver on the bus says seatbelts on, seatbelts on, seatbelts on. The driver on the bus says seatbelts on, all through the town.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore some delicious and healthy fruits, and I'll also show you how to draw them. Whether you're a fruit lover or an aspiring artist, this
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The music on the bus goes tra-la-la, tra-la-la, tra-la-la. The music on the bus goes tra-la-la, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. All through the town. All through the town. Nice wheels. Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, do you like to meow? Yes I do, meow, meow, meow. Meow. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
video is for you.
Daddy finger,
So,
do you
grab your pencils and paper, and let's get started.
Yes, I do. Meow, meow, meow.
First up, we have the classic apple. Apples are not only tasty but also packed with nutrients like fiber and vitamin C. They're perfect for a snack or a sweet addition to your meal.
Here I am. How do you do? Sister finger, do you like to meow? Oh, yes, I do. Meow, meow, meow. Brother finger, where are you? Oh, here I am. How do you do? Brother finger, do you like to meow? Yes, I do. Meow, meow, meow. Baby finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Baby finger, do you like to meow? Yes, I do. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Five little kitties jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more kittens jumping on the bed. Meow, meow, jumping on the bed. Meow, meow, kitty bumped its head.
Now, let's draw an apple. Start by drawing a simple circle. Then, Add a little dip at the top for the stem. Draw a small rectangle for the stem and add a leaf on the side. Shade it in to give it some depth. And there you have it, a cute apple.
No more kittens jumping on the bed. Meow, meow, jumping on the bed. Meow, meow, kitty bumped its head. Three little kitties jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, hey, no more kittens jumping on the bed. Meow, meow, jumping on the bed.
Next, we have the banana. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function.
Two little kitties jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, hey, no more kittens jumping on the bed. Meow, meow, jumping on the bed. Meow, meow, kitty bumped its head. One little kitty jumping on the bed. It fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, now no more kittens jumping on the bed. Meow, meow, jumping on the bed. Meow, meow.
Drawing a banana is super easy. Start with a curved line, then draw a parallel curved line below it. Connect the ends and add some gentle curves at the top for the stem. Add some lines to show the ridges on the banana.
Come on, everybody, let's do the monkey dance. Everybody shake it up, monkey see, monkey do. Everybody shake it up, let's monkey dance, woohoo! Everybody shake it up, monkey see, monkey do. Everybody shake it up, let's monkey dance, woohoo! Swing your bodies, move this way, move this way, move this way. Shake your tails and greet the day, greet the day.
Peel. Simple and fun. Now, let's look at the orange. Oranges are well known for their vitamin C content, which helps boost your immune system.
Monkey band. Everybody shake it up, monkey see, monkey do. Everybody shake it up, let's monkey dance, woohoo! Everybody shake it up, monkey see, monkey do. Everybody shake it up, let's monkey dance, woohoo! A little left, a little right, a little right, a little right. Swing that tail with all your might, all your might, all your might. Some mashed banana, peel it down, peel it down, peel it down. Say E, then touch the ground, touch the ground, touch the ground.
To draw an orange, start with a circle. Then, draw a smaller circle inside it to represent the fruit segments. Add some dots or lines for texture. Don't forget to add a leaf and a small stem on.
Everybody shake it up, monkey see, monkey do. Everybody shake it up, let's monkey dance, woohoo! Now strike that pose and spin around, spin around, spin around. Do the monkey, let's count down, count it down, count it down. 5 and 4 and 3, 2,
Top.
1. 3,
Our next fruit is the strawberry. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants and taste amazing in desserts or just by themselves. Drawing a strawberry is a bit more detailed. Start with a heart shape, then add a small circle at the top for the stem. Draw little seeds all over the strawberry, and add the leafy crown on top. Finish with some shading to make it look juicy. And there you have it. We learned some interesting facts about fruits and had fun drawing them too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun tutorials. Share your fruit drawings with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.